Hey everyone, I'm Pooja from SVC Computer Science Department. Today my topic is about non-conventional energy sources. So the contents are introduction, components of solar photovoltaic system, advantages, disadvantages, applications and conclusion. Introduction. The solar photovoltaic system is a technology developed to transform the energy from sun's ray into electricity through solar panels. This technology is eco-friendly and safe to use as it does not cause pollution. The first photovoltaic cell was discovered in 1954. Since then, it has been an adequate replacement and a solution to the depletion of fossil fuels. So this is the picture of solar photovoltaic system. So the components of solar photovoltaic system are a charge controller, the solar PV array, a battery bank, a utility meter, an inverter, and electric grid. The role of each element of the solar photovoltaic panels is as follows. The photovoltaic array aids in converting solar energy into DC, that is direct current. The charge controller keeps the battery safe from overcharging, as overcharging can cause an explosion. The battery bank stores extra energy from sun for future use. The inverter transforms the DC power into AC electricity, that is direct current power into alternate current electricity. This is essential in supplying the required energy to the household appliance. The power meter determines the current required for household purpose and the amount that is sent back to DC. At night, the electricity is sent by the electricity grid. So this is the picture how it works. Advantages. Solar energy is a renewable energy source. While fossil fuel can be exhausted, solar energy never exhausts. Since the power is drawn from the sun, it will never deplete. Second, it is easy to access from any location due to its availability. And it is an economical energy source as one does not need to purchase energy from sunlight. Although a solar photovoltaic system is required to draw the power from the sun being the raw material is free and abundant. It is ideal for distributed power generation and intelligent energy networks. The maintenance cost is relatively low compared to the other sources of energy. It provides noiseless operation and thus does not contribute to noise pollution. It also has disadvantages that it does not charge during the nighttime due to unavailability of solar power, and it requires an extra equipment inverter to convert the sunlight into usable electricity, and it requires an open area to install the photovoltaic solar panels and needs sample space to accommodate them. Although the solar energy photovoltaic module requires minimal maintenance, if this particular need is overlooked, the module will likely be damaged after some years of operation. Solar photovoltaic system has applications in solar farms. That is, many acres of photovoltaic panels can provide utility scale power from tens of megawatts to more than gigawatts of electricity. These large systems using fixed or sun tracking panels feed power into regional grids. Remote locations. It is not always cost-effective, convenient, or even possible to extend power lines to locations where electricity is needed. Photovoltaic can be the solution for rural homes, villages in developing nations, lighting houses, offshore oil platforms, desalination plants, and remote health clinics. Standalone power. In urban or remote areas, photovoltaic can provide standalone devices, tools, and meters. Photovoltaic can meet the need for electricity for parking meters, temporary traffic signs, emergency phones, radio transmitters, water irrigation pumps, and many more. Power in space. From the beginning, photovoltaic has been a primary power source for Earth orbiting satellites. High efficiency photovoltaic has supplied power for ventures such as the International Space Station and surface rovers on the Moon and Mars. Building related needs. In buildings, photovoltaic panels mounted on roofs or ground can supply electricity. Photovoltaic material can also be integrated into a building structure as windows, roof tiles to serve a dual purpose. Military uses. Lightweight, flexible, thin film photovoltaic can serve applications in which portability are critical. Since soldiers can carry lightweight photovoltaic for charging electronic equipment in the field or at remote bases. Transportation. Photovoltaic can provide auxiliary power for vehicles such as cars and boats. Automobile sunroofs can include photovoltaic for on-board power needs or trickle charging batteries. Lightweight photovoltaic can also conform to the shape of airplane wings to help power high altitude aircraft. So the conclusion is like this. The photovoltaic solar system has both pros and cons, yet the advantages are numerous. Since it does not cause pollution, solar energy is essential. It delivers benefits on a micro scale for house and company owners, society, and the environment. Photovoltaic panels are widely used for charging home appliances today and have become an efficient source of energy supply. Thank you.